Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I built these floating shelves and a corner pantry unit shelves. So this is how the corner started out. It was brown and just kind of a mess and didn't do anything. So I started off by painting using agreeable gray in Sherwin-Williams. So it's a very light white gray. So I just did a quick this ended up taking 2 coats of paint. So unfortunately, I lost a lot of footage from my camera, so this is my iPhone. I'm really sorry about this. I'm building the cabinets this way. So these are 2x2s and 1x12s. I would cut them down. The first 2 shelves are 16 inches tall, and then the third one, the top one, is 7 inches tall. So there are pocket hole screws at the top and the bottom of the 16-inch 2x2s, and there's only a pocket hole at the bottom because I couldn't fit my drill in there to secure it together. So I then secured it just with wood screws on the top. So I did this, it's the same steps on the long one and the short one to create the L. I'm now sanding down the shelf. I didn't do that before. You probably could do that before. I didn't, so now I'm just sanding down any rough edges or any loose pieces, and then I'm going to follow up with some paint. I used Himalayan salt. It's kind of a pinkish white color on the shelves. Now it's time for me to add all of the small appliances to the shelves. So this is going to house like the juicer and food processor, Instapot, all of those things. So it took me a little bit to figure out how I wanted everything put in there and how it worked best. So this is just me trying to figure out where everything is going to go. So the longest part for this was really me trying to figure out where everything goes. So as you can see, and I'm really sorry about the angle of the camera. I don't know why it looks like it's sideways, but anyway. So just trying to figure out where everything goes is what took a lot of time. But I did need extra storage for fruit since we always have a lot of fruit, and then the big containers of flour, sugar, pasta, because we're a big carb family. And I should mention the floating shelves. I just used some floating shelf hardware that I got on Amazon, and these are 2x10, so I just drilled holes in the back. I lost that footage as well, but this is the final result. I'm really happy with it, and I hope this inspires you to add some extra shelving in your home. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be back next week with another video.